let us here discuss the positional value of a different number system. And now we have already seen the value of a binary system increases by a factor of 2. So if we have got 8 bits available, that means the first bit will be having the value of 1, then 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. That means it is increasing by a factor of 2. And what about the other file systems? If it is a octal system, then value increases by a factor of 8. Like first bit will be having the value 1, then 8, then 64, then 64 multiplied by 8. That means it will increase by a factor of your 8. And what about the decimal? Regarding decimal, in which we are very comfortable, the value position value increases by a factor of 10. So first will be 1, then 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, and so on. And regarding hexadecimal, the position value increases by a factor of 16, 116, 256, then 256 multiplied by 16, so on. That means different number systems, their value increases by a different factor. So mostly we will be dealing with the binary systems and your decimal system. Now let us consider now the this binary system once again. Now we have got 8 bits here. Now what will be the minimum binary value? Now because we know that binary system has got only 2 values available, 2 digits available, 0 and 1. So minimum value, what it is going to be? All zeros. That means all bits will be having the 0 value. And what about the maximum value in binary system? It is just going to be 1 1 1 1, all 1. Now if we are going to convert this 8 zeros in binary system to decimal, what will be the value in decimal? So 128 multiplied by 0, 64 multiplied by 0, that means 0 plus 0 plus 0, total will be 0. That means if we have got 8 bits available, if we are going to convert it into decimal, it is going to be 0. Now what will be this maximum value here? So if we have got all the ones available, that means 128 into 1, 128, then 64, 32, 16. If we are going to add all these, what will happen? It will become 255. So please remember, if we have got 8 bits and all are zeros, that means the total value in decimal is going to be 0. And if it is all 1, then it is going to be 255. Later on we are going to see why we are discussing this, because this is extremely important. That means if we have got 8 bits available, what will be the minimum value in binary? It will be 0. And what will be the maximum value? It will be all ones. When we are going to convert into decimal, it will become 255.